Here's a super critical lesson on converting. Okay, when we're converting units, it's easy to use these conversion factors for a length. But if you want to use conversion factors for areas or volumes, there's something else we have to do. We have to either square or cube the conversion factor. Let me show you why. So if I want to change from 1 meter to feet, let me choose a different color. This is really important. Then 1 meter, I can do a couple different ways. I can multiply it by this 3.28 feet per meter. And notice how I've got meters and meters. They actually go away. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. They divide each other out, and I get 3.28 feet. Okay, so I'm going to do this question two different ways. I'm going to find the area of this square, 3.28, and this one's 3.28. Okay, so if I want to do it just within meters, I'm going to say the area is equal to length times width, which is 1 meter times 1 meter, which would be 1 meter squared. Important to use your units when you're multiplying. Okay, meters times meters is meters squared. If I want to do the same question in feet, I could say area equals, wrong color, length times width equals 3.28 feet times 3.28 feet. Oops, feet equals, better get my calculator, 3.28 squared, or 3.28 times 3.28 is 10.8, I'll round a little bit, feet squared. Okay? So let's look now. We converted this way to go convert lengths. What if I wanted to convert area? Then I'd say 1 meter squared, and I can multiply by this 3.28 feet per meter. But if I just did that, I'd end up with 3.28, and here's the weird thing, I still have a meter on the top and a feet on the top. That looks totally weird. What's a meter foot? Doesn't make any sense. So what I need to do is say, wait a minute, I've got meters squared on the top here, I better get meters squared on the bottom. I have to square the conversion factor because I'm actually doing two dimensions. I'm converting this length and this length at the same time. I'm converting an area. So if I do that, 1 times 3.28 squared, I get, there we go, 10.8 feet squared. Okay? Similarly, if I had something that was 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, I can do the same process if I wanted to. The volume is equal to length times width times height equals 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter equals 1 meter cubed. And if I want to convert, I could say 1 meter cubed times, there's 3.28 feet per meter. I've got to cube that conversion factor, which gives me 35.3 meters, feet, feet cubed, because the meters cubed, divide it with this meters cubed, and I'm left with feet cubed. So it's really important because most people, what they do is they take this, not doing it this way, not 1 meter cubed times 3.28 feet per meter, and end up getting 3.28, and they think it's feet cubed, and that's very different than what's up here. So I'm even going to erase that so we don't even see it anymore. Okay, so careful. It's easier to convert the lengths right away, but if you want to convert areas or volumes, you have to cube or square the conversion factor, and this all works just the exact same way as if you want to do it this way using that thing. That's just 1 divided by 3.28. It works as well, but you still need to think about what the units are.